friends, Namaskaram. How are you? Myself is Dr. Jinesh Soni. In today's class, we will discuss certain fundamentals or certain doubts about child custody case. I'm going to specify you on the board. I request all of you to maintain a proper notebook with pen or pencil so that you could note down the query along with the specification. Now we are going to switch on the board. Query number one is that whether I can bring my child from the custody of mother or not. This is a common confusion to the Indian fathers. They think that if they internally bring the child, it would be the kidnapping case, and ultimately they could be booked as per section 363 of IPC or as per section 137 of BNS. I want to clarify that in the specific legal provision, the exemption is that if you are father or mother of the child and you bring the child from the custody of opposite parent, in that scenario it would not be the kidnapping, and we are having ample judgment of honorable Supreme Court, honorable Gujarat High Court, honorable Andhra Pradesh High Court, wherein it is specified that if the father of the child inter alia brings the child from the custody of mother, it would not be the case of kidnapping. So I think that we are quite clear on that point, that if we bring the child from custody of mother, it would not be the kidnapping. Now the important question arises, if FIR has been registered by the police, then what we can do? There is no need to be in panic. Before lodging the FIR, they will call you and they will pressure you to surrender before police with child. I want to clarify that in the matter of child custody, the police is having no jurisdiction. So basically, if they pressure you, you may take the shelter of CWC, that is called Child Welfare Committee. And recently, CWC of Kota had pronounced a judgment in favor of father, wherein the police was injected to intervene, and it is advised that if there is any child custody issue, the concerned parents may approach to the family court for the adjudication. So basically, we could say that regarding the child custody matter, the jurisdiction is with the family court, and it is also observed by Honorable Supreme Court. If the concerned parents are having dispute over the custody, in that scenario, the adjudication could be by the family court. Now, the important question arises, if the police inter alia comes to our house and they pressurize us regarding the arrest, what we can do? Simply, we have to appear before the higher authorities, and apart from that, we have to serve to the concerned police a legal notice to the concerned council. And apart from that, if they ask for any bribe, we may approach to Anti-Corruption Bureau for the purpose of trap proceeding. And inter alia, we could mention the issue before Honorable Family Court that police is going to intervene and proper injunctions could be issued. So basically, we are having the remedy, but in absence of knowledge, we are not in a position to contest the case. Basically, we have to submit our grievances in case the grievances are not submitted and we are having the verbal communication. In that scenario, we could not be succeeded because the police will definitely pressurize you and they will compel you to do the surrender, but there is no requirement to surrender because you are not the accused. And apart from that, the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court and High Court is in your favor, which says that if you take away the child, it would not be the kidnapping. And apart from that, the custody issues could be decided by family court having jurisdiction. In that scenario, the police could not intervene. So basically, I have specified you the answer to your basic query. The query number one is whether we could take the child. Answer is yes. Question number two, what to do in case FIR is registered. So I will specify you the steps. And in addition to this, I want to clarify that in case FIR is registered, you may go to Honorable High Court for questioning. And apart from that, the offense is bailable. There is no need to worry, the police will not arrest you. And apart from that, if they are going to pressurize you, you may complain to higher authority and serve legal notice. If they are asking for bribe, you may file a case before ACB to conduct the trap. And apart from that, you may approach to the family court as well for the vindication of your grievances. So basically, I have specified you the manner in which you could work out and could secure your rights from being compromised or from being prejudiced. So now it is clear to us, in case we takes away our child, there is nothing to worry. It would not be the kidnapping, and we could easily take away our child. It would not be an offense. And apart from that, if we are going to be pressurized and our rights are going to be compromised, then what we can do, what will be our rights, and what will be the pathways, I have clarified all these things to you in the summary way. See you in the next lecture.